celebration of our city fiesta. No? Hosted a lot of sporting events, but never on the celebration of the fiesta. As you probably know, every December we have that Halakang run that's been going on for decades already. And recently with ASEAN Mountain Bike Championship. And before that, we had a triathlon. So Danao is not new to hosting sporting events. We chose running because you've noticed recently great interest in running, endurance sports for that matter. Naatuan kung 100 kilometers from Bugor to Cebu City. It was 2 months ago we had it here also.
Ultramarathon.
The ultramarathon, we had it here. And so that's why we chose running. Okay? There's a great interest in running. So timing lang, we saw the opportunity to hold it during